Hello there, I'm G. Anthony, and I'll be teaching you how to play All of Me by John Legend. We'll be having 5 chords. First is E minor, C major, G major, D major, and A minor. For the pre-chorus, we'll be doing this have E minor, C major, D major, G major, and D major. Okay. Playing it, so that's just play it until intro verse until the end of the verse. Then we'll be going to the pre-chorus. We'll be having A minor, and then G major, and then D major. For the A minor, we'll be playing it twice, so like this. A minor, then we'll be going to the chorus. First chorus is we'll be having G major, then E minor, C major, and D major. So let's do this next. For the second chorus, we'll be having the same as the intro or the verse. It's like this: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Okay, let's play it until the second chorus. Okay, let's do this. I'll be singing it. Sorry for my voice if it's not so good for your ears. Okay. What would I do without your sweet mind? Running me in your what's going on with that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical mystery ride, and I'm so busy, don't know I can't be by. Be alright, my head's under thanks for watching, and you want to see more videos, just
Subscribe.
subscribe us. Thank you.